How many times have you lost your trade and don't know why? Just because you are ignoring the RSI strategy. That's the difference between winning and blowing your account. Today we're gonna talk about the RSI strategies that helps for the trading. So let's go ahead. Today I will show you how to stop losing and start earning. Right away, get into that and we're gonna use the RSI strategies. So let's go to our platform pocket options, the more convenient, the best way because it's easier to understand that you have a multiple currency pair. The best part, you have a demo account. Using all the strategies and all the things with the demo account, it's the very easiest way and the best way to do that. Where we are talking about the RSI strategies, RSI that stands for Relative Strength Index. So let's go ahead with that. And it's the major part of that, it measures momentum, how fast and how strong like price is being moving. So let's go with that. In remember that value ranges is 0 to 100. So above 70, it's like overbought. So prices might be going to down, and below 30, it's like oversold. So price might go rise. Imagine like this is something like you're just demand and supply. If you're buying too much and everything, so you just going to have a problem because there is no demand on that. So if there is no demand, there's no supply. So in such a way, the same it goes to the RSS strategies that helps you about for above 70 and the below 30. This is a more the goal of the RSS strategy is actually for that. And basic strategies like RSI, it's for the beginners. New to the strategy and the pocket option for the trade, don't worry. RSI stands for you right now. And the best part, RSI signals is actually like remember the key points. The only thing it's been like 30 to 70. Below 70, oversold. Above 70, it's like overbought. So let's go with this. And common misunderstanding, just because like RSI is like says overbought doesn't mean it must all times like going to fall right now. No, it just take a moment and then it's fall. So remember that this helps, the strategies helps you to work on that. Personal touch is really important, either it's anything. So at strong trades, RSI can overbought or for a longer time. So remember that this is something that you need to be brainstorming by yourself. Now that you know the basic, let's get into how actually trade using RSI like a pro. Obviously, if you just been liking this video for the and watching for the first time, make sure to be like, comment and share these videos with everyone. If you're new, want to have touch, get into the description and link and Telegram channel. I obviously send signals over there. We can work on that together. So right away, the like you will keep entering early, exiting too soon or worse. So going against this trend, it's not gonna recommend that. Basic RSI strategy is just because you want to make a trade and it's a very beginner thing. Remember that the key rules obviously not blow up your money. Just invest in 1 to 5% of your whole trade amount. If you're investing $1,000, go with the 5% of the whole amount for the one time in a day trade. And obviously while doing a trade, remember that 3 trades in a day, that's all, and it hardly takes like 30 minutes to 1 hour or 2 hour max if you're the beginner. Don't blow up money. Emotional trading, it's one of the worst thing if you're doing that. Break into this like structure about the strategies. It's very easy for this. You need to be like a key rules and be patient about that. Take your time, understand the market. That's the one thing. Okay guys, this is something like really important and you just need to be get into it that. Let's imagine if you're learning something like driving. Okay, well, you understand how the steering wheel is, how the gear is, how the clutch, how the brake and how the acceleration is. The key time at the same time, you also need to watch about the mirror, how you actually traveling, if there's any car nearby or not. You also need to focus on the sign at the same time, where it's been like you need to stop, you need to take a left or you can take a right, or the what are the speed per kilometer. Same goes to the signals, red, green, yellow. So this is something the strategy also helps you a lot. What you need to do right now, what we need to do right now. But making a time, it's something on your hand. You have your driver seat drive, you have your pocket options right now, you have your trading platform right now. So this is something very easy. Take your wheel, be confident. That's why you are here and that's why I'm teaching you here. Like this video, obviously. So get into that and remember that I always say, everyone says having the best laptop, best tablet, best phone doesn't matter. The only matter is the browser. Google Chrome, Safari, that's the best one I would say. And the best part is the internet speed. The best internet speed you need to have and the best stable place. This is something it's really what if you don't have those things, please get into that, because this is something really important. Even if your strategies, even if your effort it's been really nice, you're still gonna have a problem. So RSI with like context, let's talk about this. Don't trade like RSI signals blindly. Check the trend direction, support or resistance and candlesticks. So let's get started with this. We're gonna go with the candles 1 minute obviously, and let's you can also go ahead with many strategies, but today we are talking about the RSI strategies. And let's enable the RSI strategies. You clearly can see that the period about this, and you can also change the style and corrections. I'm going to remove the 50 for now, and let's go with the amount. So amount I'm gonna take for a $40 as it's a first trade, so obviously I need to be a risk free, and you also need to be a risk free. Time period I'm gonna take a 1 minute as we are talking about the strategies, and it's a basic and the minimum. If you're a beginner, do with that. Currency pair, okay, let's check with the currency pair. We can go with this currency and we just click the buy, just because you can see the RSI strategy has been actually reflecting over there, and you clearly can see that it's been like near to the 30. That means oh it's been oversold, so the price gonna be down up. Okay, let's go with the different currency. You actually can even explore like a different currency while doing a trade. You did a trade, go ahead and understand the market, explore them, understand how RSI strategy has been reflecting over there, so in order to understand more about the trends. See that it's actually 70 guys. So what you need to do, you need to, because the people have been overbought right now, so the market can price can drop nearby, but wait until the candle get exists. Okay, don't jump to it, because we don't want to blow up of money, we want to make a profit guys. That's what we're talking about right now. And boom, just me made a profit with the help of the RSI. Don't you think it's easy? Yep, obviously. Write me a comment if you really like the RSI strategies and want to work on that. Don't even forget, like I do have other videos, so make sure to watch on those video and just hit it the 70. That's why we need to make a sell. The price gonna go drop guys, just because it's been overbought. And wait for that, just we should explore the different currency. So let's go with this. Check that they are the parallel guys. There should be a momentum. No, this can be the, because this can be counted as a oversold. Okay, so the price has been moving down. So market may fall right now. Wait for the perfect time guys. Listen, remember that you are riding a car, you need to be make sure that you have everything be proper. So this doesn't feel perfect, so let's do different currency. Oh, this is the best one. It's under 30, so it's just been a proper because it's oversold. So change the amount right now because the market may bounce. And let's see the, oh that's been okay. Oh it's been actually overbought zone, so the market may gonna fall, it's higher chances, so obviously you need to go and sell. We were at the perfect time, so let's hope like this is gonna be down. It's simple. Don't you think that RSI strategy is really simple? And if you're just been exploring that, RSI it's one of the best guys. So let's see, everything is stable, everything is parallel. No, this is not something. No, oh, this looks perfect. You see that it's actually 70. Okay, the price may fall. Let's go with the sell, guys, because it's been overbought. And wait for that. So let's go with the $70. And remember that if you're making a good profit, you can actually extend your amount. This is something you can do that. Obviously, make sure the currency pair and everything you've been looking for. The payout is also mentioned at the right away, so you understand like how much you can gonna go profit if your bet is right and the signal is correct. Okay, this looks perfect. This gonna be like overbought, oversold. Okay, you can see the price may rise up. Go, let's go ahead and we just gonna see it's been jumping. Let's move into different one. Boom, guys, did you saw that? This actually it's been predicted and we just won the bet. Okay, now analyze the market. Analyze, it's gonna go jump, it's gonna go jump. So one of the thing, like when the prices falls and rising, it's bullish divergence. So this is something the RSI, it's actually trends the markets often and stays for long over so long. So this is something 70. Okay, let's see it sells. So because it has been overbought, so let's see the price might drop and give it a time. That's gonna be really nice. So let's go $75. Let's increase the amount for $5 more. Let's go with a different currency. Move into the AUD slash USD, CAD slash CHF, CAD slash JPY. See, actually, you need to focus on the RSI, guys. You see that? No, this is parallel. No, 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 no. Oh, this is okay. This is okay. Okay, not bad. Near to that. No, 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 no. Mm. Boom. We already made one more profit, guys. The signal was perfect and RSI always helps. It's a very basic and the clean way of strategies. It helps a lot even for the beginners. This is okay. Okay. No. No. Okay. No. No. Okay. This is good. It's actually been overbought, so the price may fall. Wait for the perfect time, wait for the candle to entry point and to get exit point. The only our journey is right now, it's like we are driving a car and we need to reach the destination. Until any signal comes, until any way or the sign comes, you don't need to make any changes. Be patient, be just and ride the car because our end goal is that. So clearly see that this is something like go down because it's been overbought. So price may drop down. And okay, we can go with this one too. So let's go with the sell. Okay, you can increase the amount as we just been like a bet in a row for 3. Wait for that until you can just swap it to currency. Let's go. No, no. Okay, that was a loss. That's fine, guys. Remember that we're still in the profit and profitable. Okay, no, no. Okay, not bad. Oh, boom, one profit, guys. You saw that, like four wins and one loss. That's something. It's a very good ratio in terms of like doing a trading. Okay, it's still better. Probably yes. This is something nice because you see that it's around 70. Okay. Now let's go ahead and make a sell because it's overbought. The price will go me down. The currency amount, let's go with $90. Let's see currency. Do you think no? This is something not really nice. But it's something like it's near to the 70s, so price may drop. So analyze it, guys. Not just every RSI, it's been like showing parallel. You can wait for a while and analyze the market. Obviously, guys, while driving a car, it the same goes like because we are driving something, waited until you are just driving, reaching the journey. So that's how this is can be done because it's gonna go down and one more hit profit, guys. Okay, this is something can be done now. This probably no, 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 no. Okay, it seems like that today no RSI strategy, like nobody's buying and selling that. But this looks perfect because of it's about 70, so the price may fall because it's been overbought. Let's change the currency amount and wait for a moment. We can actually change the currency pair. It's like near 70, but no, that's something not good. So let's swap the currency. Okay, this is near, but it's still not a good option. Okay, better. We can look for others. No, not really. Not really. No. No, not really, not really. No, remember it's parallel, guys. So okay, this thing can be done. Let's explore more. Oh, this is also good. No, no, no. Almost near, but no, still no, no, no. Either it should be above 70 or under 30, guys. Still not a good option. You just need to write that. You really just oh, this is something. Look. Okay, this is something about 70. This is okay. No, no. Riding the car. We're just riding the car. No, we're just riding the car. Like just let's momentum. There's no momentum, guys. It seems everything is been straight and right forward. Analyze it, guys. Take your time. Don't blow up money. That's all what I'm talking about. Emotional trading doesn't come in that part of trading. You need to use your brain and your time in order to do trading. Okay, the heart and emotions shouldn't be involved here. This can be done because you see that This is near to 30. Okay, let's go for the buy because the prices is being oversold. So price might rise. Let's go with the amount for $100. Boom, guys, we just made a profit from previous trade. Let's see different one. All them straight, right? Looks like RSI is just being straight because there is no momentum. Okay, this thing looks perfect, but still, like, let's explore more. As you saw, like, you don't need to rush on that. So no, not really good. Okay, this is also good. No, no, you clearly see that this is like not either above 70 or not, neither below 30. So it is middle. No, don't take a risk, just analyze it, and that's fine. If it's done not for today, you just can continue from later or today or morning or evening, anywhere, whichever you want, because using the strategies, using the mean come in like involvement of your efforts. Okay, this is 70, so let's go with the down because the market has been overbought. Market may falls, guys, so let's key on this. Let's go with this. Okay, you can see that. Okay, let's explore the currency right now. Now, guys, none of them like doesn't seems like perfect right now. No. Let's see. Whoa, everything in the RSI, it's just like being straight. Okay, this is something can be done now. Now it's still like mm, no, 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 no. They're all parallel, guys. No, it should be about no. So let's see the moment. Okay, it's still better now. No, it's so no, no, no. Never jump on that, guys. Emotional trading, no. Okay, still better. No, still better. No, but mm, no, no. Okay, but no, no. Better, no. You know the fun fact about like the strategies when you involve in them, this really clearly gives a more information about that. That strategy is really important. When in terms of that, it's really makes a sense because it's when you don't need to jump on that and you will not blow up your money. So let's see the more strategies and you this one. um let's go currency. Strategy is not about like see you just need going buying and selling. Sometimes even it explains you don't need to do a trade for a while. At least you're risk free and saving your money, not blowing up for that. All of them, you guys can see that it's like parallel everything. It doesn't make sense. Don't emotional trading and everything. Trust on strategies, but keep your senses awake because you also need to use your own technique. That's why the beginner for this strategies are useful. In order to go ahead and more understanding, keep your time, understand the analytics. Even if you're starting a day for the doing a trading, just be awake and analyze it. Make a note of yours, make it understanding how the market trends and how it the exit candles and how the entry point starts. This is something more important, give you more knowledge about that. So next time when you do a trade, it will going to be helpful for you, because at least you're not blowing up money. You're preparing yourself to make a good profit and more big benefits on that, guys. This is important, guys. So you clearly can see, let's go to last time, we're gonna explore the other countries. All of them are steady, so market it's not really good right now in order to use, especially for the RSI strategies. It's look like it's cold, it's not have any interactions like jumping and jump out. Okay, this looks still better, but no, still like you clearly can see that now you clearly can see is there something parallel. Reject them, because this, if you're not going to take it seriously, it's gonna blow up your money, guys. One guy from Delhi messaged me that he actually lost 20,000 rupees in a week. Damn. He messaged me and I said, chill, guys. Don't just blow up your money. Use the RSI strategies. Now he's actually doing a trading and back into the market. Sometimes not doing anything is also one of the things that you are doing, because you're not blowing up your money. You're just steady and understanding the market, how it bends. Try it now. Open pocket option, turn on the RSI and write me down a comment which pair you're watching today. Drop me a comment and tell me about more about the strategies. I reply to all of you guys. We are in the together, and don't forget, get in touch with me and hit the likes and smash that button that you see that. It's a real strategies and it's not a fake flexing.